How to share projects in Todoist. Want to collaborate on tasks? Here's how to share a Todoist project step by step. So first, open the project you want to share, and remember the inbox cannot be shared. And then once you're on your project, click on this share button at the top right, and then from here you can go ahead and enter that specific user's name or email into the section, and then Todoist will then send them an invite email. You can also manually send them your share link for this specific project by clicking on this copy link. And once you have sent this project link, and once they try to paste it on their browser, they should find your project and find the invitation to join your project on Todoist. And that is how to share projects in Todoist.